Hey guys, I'm going to show you the best way to get citations for your business. And most of all, it's going to be for free. Watch this. Okay guys, I think you're really going to love this lesson. It's all about citations. Citations confirm to Google your name, address, and phone number, otherwise known as NAP. Does your website, does your Google My Business, and does every directory on the web that has your website on it, does it have the proper name, address, and phone number? So that's what a citation is. So the first thing that you should do is go to this website called Moz, and they have a section called SEO/citations by categories. And the reason why I love this is whenever I take on a client, I always go to their industry. So we're working with a pet store right now. And when I click pet stores, it says top citations for pet stores. I could send this out to somebody to do the citations, but I want to make sure that they're done correctly. So I will have my staff do them. All they'll do is log on to Yellow Pages, Yelp. They'll create a Facebook fan page, local.yahoo, super pages, Yellow Book, Manta. So, a lot of people that have pet stores, they would never know that they could add their website on Petco or on PetSmart, right? So, for example, you may have to do some digging. This is Petco. So you scroll all the way to the bottom and you go to vendors, you create a profile, and this does two things. This lets Google know that you're a pet store, you're on a popular website like Petco, and that you're confirming your address with them. You want to make sure that you have the same exact address on your website, on your Google My Business. All your citations have the same exact address.
If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.